New Hampshire Fish and Game's On the Nature Trail with Lindsay Webb. Brought to you by New Hampshire's Environmental Literacy Plan. Learn more at nhee.org.
Cicadas in New Hampshire. Have you ever stepped outside on a hot August afternoon and heard a loud, buzzing chorus coming from the trees? At first, it might sound like power lines humming or machinery in the distance. But if you listen closely, you'll discover that the sound is coming from thousands of tiny musicians hidden high in the treetops. These are cicadas, and for many people, their calls are the soundtrack of late summer. Although cicadas spend only a few weeks above ground, they live most of their lives out of sight. After hatching from eggs, young cicadas, called nymphs, burrow into the soil where they spend several years feeding on sap from tree roots. When the time is right, they emerge from the ground, climb onto a tree or other sturdy surface, shed their outer skin, and transform into winged adults. The loud buzzing you hear comes almost entirely from the males. Using special structures called tymbals on the sides of their abdomen, they produce their distinctive songs to attract females. Each species has its own unique call, allowing males and females to find one another even when several species are active at the same time. Unlike the famous periodical cicadas found further south, New Hampshire is home to annual cicadas. Rather than emerging all at once every 13 or 17 years, our cicadas appear every summer. Because different individuals mature in different years, we hear their songs each August without the massive emergences that make headlines elsewhere. As noisy as they may seem, cicadas are harmless to people. They don't bite or sting, and they spend their short adult lives focused on one goal: reproducing. After mating, females lay eggs in the twigs of trees and shrubs. A few weeks later, the newly hatched nymphs drop to the ground, burrow into the soil, and begin the next generation's long underground journey. Cicadas also play an important role in New Hampshire's ecosystems. Birds, squirrels, chipmunks, foxes, and many other animals readily eat them, taking advantage of the seasonal food source. Even after the adult dies, their bodies return valuable nutrients to the soil, helping support the forests where the next generation will grow. As August slowly gives way to September, the chorus of cicadas reminds us that another season is beginning to change. Their songs accompany long, warm afternoons, backyard gatherings, and evenings on the porch, becoming one of the defining sounds of late summer. So the next time you hear that steady buzz coming from the treetops, take a moment to appreciate one of nature's hidden performers. High above your head, cicadas are telling the story of a life spent patiently waiting underground, only to emerge for a few remarkable weeks and fill New Hampshire's forest with the unmistakable sound of summer.
On the Nature Trail with Lindsay Webb was produced by New Hampshire Fish and Game, connecting you to life outdoors.